Now, how do you pause the camera on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so whenever you start recording a video like this, you can see that we have the stop button, but also there is the pause button next to it, right? So you can see that now we have the ability to pause the camera in the middle of recording. However, I'm showing you this camera application running the latest version of iOS, which is currently the iOS 26.1. But it's possible that your device is running a very old version of the software, right? And it hasn't been the case that this feature is available for quite a long time, actually. So you need to know about that. Just make sure you go to the settings, general, and software update to get the latest version of the camera, right? But outside of that, of course, there are more and like third-party applications for the camera, right? One of the good ones is the camera application, which is called Blackmagic Camera, and that one is actually good as well, as it also lets you like have some enhanced features, right, and all of this stuff, right? So you can play around with those options or some third-party cameras in case you don't have something which you, I mean, generally speaking, are lacking in the built-in camera application. But that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the next tutorials. Of course, make sure you don't miss it by clicking the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you later.